Hello guys, I welcome you back in One in All YouTube channel. This is day 6 on English typing tutorial. Today I'll teach you how to type the upper row or top row alphabets. So first you have to keep your hand on home row, that is A, left hand on A, S, D, F, and right hand on semicolon L, K, J. From your little finger you have to type Q of top row, or upper row you have to type Q from your little finger. You have to type Q from your little finger. You have to type W with your ring finger. You have to type W with your ring finger and bring your ring finger again back on the home row. Similarly for others also you have to apply. And from you will type E of the upper row from your middle finger. You have to type E from your middle finger, and you have to type R from your forefinger. On the right hand you have to type P with your tiny finger, O with the ring finger, I with middle finger, and U with forefinger. Now for you exercise is you have to place your finger on home row and type Q spacebar, W spacebar, E spacebar, R spacebar. On the right hand you have to type P spacebar, O spacebar, I spacebar, U spacebar. You have to type it at least for 1 hour so that your finger will become comfortable on top row or upper row. Also I will like to give some tips for you guys, that when you type any alphabet you have to again, if I type E from my middle finger, then again you have to bring back that finger on home row, because home row is the place where you rest your finger on home row. After typing that alphabet or character from top row, you have to bring back your finger on the home row. That's it. Thank you so much.